Okay, Dale Geiler, because of you, I had to go out and buy me a Red Ryder Daisy carbine BB gun. I like it; it's fun, but I haven't had one in many years. I got a pellet gun in there. This shoots better than the pellet gun, so let's take a couple shots and see what happens. As you can see, I got a few targets set up out there. I'll try to hit one of these little ones first, right out here in front of us. Oh, I got one. Kind of caught it on the edge, but let's try it again. I got it again. Okay, now I'm gonna try that frying pan out there. Oh yeah, that little white one's hard to hit. I'm gonna try that now. Nope, missed it. Missed it. Let's try the orange one way up out there. Watch this. Oh, just low. Oh yeah. So here we go. I'm gonna have fun with this. Thanks, brother. Come on over and do some shooting.